Hello everyone, today you have joined the CREATIVELK YouTube channel. How to trim and cut a video in CapCut PC. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing to and liking the video. First of all, come into CapCut PC, and you can open up a new project or an existing one. We can come to the top left here and go and press Import. Select the video and press Open. Then, what we can do is go and drag it into the timeline. To get started, you can go and trim the start and end points. So, if you go and hover your cursor at that point, you'll go and see it turn into a line with those two arrows. And you can click, hold, and drag, and you can start trimming it as you can see. And you can do that at the end point like so. Now, what we can also do is go and start cutting out parts as well. So, for example, go to a point where you want to go and do this. And you can go and press on the split button just above the timeline, or use the shortcut Ctrl and B. It will go and split it into another clip. You could find another point you want to go to make a split. Press Ctrl and B, and we've now got this clip in the middle. We could go and delete this.